ready to unleash your Tableau masterpieces and share them with the world. Let's dive into exporting your visualizations. First, for a quick snapshot, go to Worksheet, then Export, and choose Image. This creates a picture of your view. You can also specify whether you want the image to be scaled and set the resolution. Now, let's save this as a PDF. Head over to File, then Print to PDF. Fine-tune your layout settings, like paper size and orientation, before hitting Print. Sharing in PowerPoint is seamless. Click Worksheet, Export, and then PowerPoint. Tableau automatically creates slides with your visualizations. Need the underlying data? Right-click on your visualization, select View Data, and then click the Export All button to save it as a CSV file. Excel's great if you need to do a data dump, but be mindful to format and potentially anonymize any sensitive data before sharing any of your exports. These steps will have you exporting like a pro in no time, sharing your amazing Tableau creations. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.